Hey everyone, did your HDR footage look perfect in CapCut, but after export, it turned washed out or faded? Yeah, that's a super common HDR issue. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix washed out HDR video in CapCut. First, check whether your original clip is actually HDR. So open the clip properties and look for HDR or Dolby Vision tags. Knowing this helps you choose the right settings. Next, open your project settings. Yeah, if you're editing HDR footage, make sure HDR editing is enabled. If your project is SDR, the colors can appear washed out. If your source video is SDR, turn off any HDR or auto HDR options. I mean, forcing SDR into HDR often causes faded colors after export. Now go to export settings. So keep the color format consistent with your timeline. If you edited in HDR, export in HDR. If you edited in SDR, export in SDR. Before worrying too much, play the video on an HDR supported screen. Yeah, sometimes the video looks washed out only on non-HDR displays, and that's it. Your washed out HDR issue in CapCut should now be fixed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing fixes.